Ria, I got a call from mom. Her health is not well these days.
What happened to her? She must have told you.
She has a pain in her knees and her treatment is costing a lot of money.
You don't know anything. She just keeps pretending.
Don't say this, man. It is a sin to say this to our parents.
You think about this sin and virtues. I'm saying what is true.
Okay, but give me a glass of water at least.
Listen, are you planning to go to the village to meet mother in law?
No, not at all. I can't leave my work. Last time I left the work to others, you have already witnessed, I had to face a lot of loss.
So then what are you thinking now?
What is there to think about? I have sent Dushyant to bring mom. He will bring her here.
Hey, what problem did she have that you called her here?
I just told you that she is having pain in her knee and she is having difficulty getting up and sitting.
Hey, she has an elder son as well, na? He can also take care of her and serve her.
If the elder son was taking care of her, then why would she call me? Her treatment is costing money and he flatly refused it, that we can't handle it. And I also thought that serving parents gives a virtue, so I also should earn some virtue, so I called her here.
You let it be, yaar. Just came here to earn virtues. Firstly, you have put all the burden of this home on me. And on that you called mother-in-law? Am I made of this home?
If you didn't want to call her, then you would have refused me earlier.
When should I tell you this? Did you ask me this? You took decision by yourself and now you're telling me.
I thought you would be happy to see her.
You see na how happy I am?
What should I do now? Now she'll be coming. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll call her and tell her not to come here. I was going to say no to her.
Go right now and send them away from door only.
Come on, Rhea, don't say like this. If she has come here, then let her stay here for a day or two.
Not a single minute. Go and send them back. Go right now. If she will come to this home, then I will leave this home.
Rhea, mom is going back. She wants to meet you once before she leaves.
What you want to see? See me. Mom? You? Why are you standing here? Come inside, na? No, daughter. After hearing so much things from you, how can I come inside? Hey, mom, I didn't know you were coming. I thought Sanju's mom was coming. Wow, daughter, wow. Sanju's mother was coming. So you were asking her to go away from door only. And when you saw your mother, you are taking her inside respectfully? Hey, mom, leave all this now. You come inside now. No, not at all. And tell me one thing. Whose home is this? Who did hard work to make it? Sanju. So does your mother have more right on this house or Sanju's mother? Daughter, the way Sanju respects your mother, he loves you. Same way you can't do. Hey, why do you look at his mother like enemy? Think. Today you were asking her to leave from door. Same way if Sanju will do with your mother, then how would you feel? Mom, please forgive me. Hey, don't apologize to me. Apologize to them with those you have done wrong. You know, today why I am here? Because my sons are useless. They listen to their wives. And my daughter-in-laws, like you, they don't want to keep their mother-in-law with them. From this I understood one thing. Sons are not spoiled. Those daughter-in-laws are spoiled who make them do all this. I'm feeling so much embarrassed by saying this that you, My daughter is in that same category. Mom, I'm so much embarrassed on what I did. And from today, you and Sanju's mother will have equal respect. Both will be my mothers. I promise you. Please forgive me. If you will do this, na daughter, you will serve her, you will respect her. I will feel more than happy. Surely I will do. You come inside.
Mom, I called you here. If I say something wrong to you, then you should feel bad. But you just ignore her words, just like I ignore her. You come inside.